Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I'm going to be doing my gray Christmas look. So I'm going to show you like the different stages of eye colors that you can do, and then we're going to darken this one up, and that way you can kind of see the different stages you can do. So I've already got all my makeup on, my contour and everything, and I just wanted to show y'all a real quick little way to do all this. So if you're just wanting like a really light gray look, you can take this color, that is the light color I'm using over here, and just kind of sweep it all over. And this is Smoky Quartz. And you can just sweep it all over, use a highlight, and then be done. Okay? You can just sweep it all over like this. And then use you a highlight, and then you can be done. Or you can do like I'm doing, and I'm going to do some extra right here on the lid itself. Then I'm going to come in with this lighter shade of gray. Gonna go right here. I will have all the colors listed in the description below because right now my mind is going blank as to what the names of these colors are. So, y'all. So, anyway, I use them all the time. I don't know why I can't ever remember them. So, and then I just kind of go through here with a lighter gray. And then I come in with the darker gray. I'll come in on the side and do like that. And then you can just leave it. And this is how I have this eye done too. So you can just leave it like this. I have to look in my big mirror to make sure everything is kind of blended out a little bit. You can do like this. Or you can darken it up a little bit. And I'm going to darken it up a little bit. I'm just going to use this little bit of darker gray right here. And just come over here on the side. And just kind of darken this part to make it a more evening look. Now see, it's just a little bit darker, but it adds like a whole lot of definition right there. And I just love that. So this can be paired, with a nude lip, a light color lip, or me, with the holidays, I always do my gray color eyes and my red lip. That's what I normally do. So, and then I'm going to come with my black eyeliner and just come right across here. With that, and then I take a little smudger brush and do my black eyeshadow and just kind of smudge all of that. I hope everybody's got their Christmas shopping done. I'm done finally with all my Christmas shopping. I've just got to go and do a few things today. Today is the day before Christmas Eve. And I don't know when I will be posting this video, but it'll be sometime soon. So there's my eyeliner on the top, and then on the bottom, I just use this gray color right here and just take this little brush and then just kind of do it like that. And that's how I do that. And you want to leave it out of the waterline, because when you get in the waterline, it can cause eye infection. So you just want to do that lash line. And there you go. And then let me grab my mascara, and we'll put that on. And then this will be a completed look. So, and then you can do this look for every day. You can do it for more glam look. Or you can do this for like, if you have a Christmas party to go to. Uh-oh. And when I say Christmas party, I mean like, family gathering or something, not really an actual party. Because this year, there's not any actual parties. And I'm okay with that. Never went to any anyway. Now, and there we go. There's the finished look, y'all. Oh, and I forgot to do my highlight color. Might be good. I'm using, now I do remember that color. That's Biscotti. And it's just kind of a matte, kind of white color. So, yeah. And there we go. Well, all right, y'all. And then I'm going to darken this up just a hair, so it'll match. And then I'm going to just kind of define that a little bit more. And then, all right. Well, I hope that y'all are having a great holiday season, and I hope that you have a Merry Christmas. Please like this video, comment below on what you would like to see next, and yeah, I think that's everything. And then, and go follow me on Instagram, Victoria Miss Fabulous and Hair and Makeup by Victoria, and then go friend me on Facebook at Victoria Tauber, and then go follow my pages on Facebook at Hair and Makeup by Victoria and Victoria Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant. So, all right, y'all. Well, I hope y'all have a great day. And, yeah. So, I hope you get all that Christmas shopping done. I really hope that everyone really takes the time like I have today and just really focus on God and the real reason for Christmas, that this is Jesus's birth. And, you know, I just feel like that is something that a lot of people just kind of blow right past with Santa and presents. And I mean, all those things are good, but I pray, my prayer for you is that you never lose that real meaning of Christmas, that this is Jesus's birth, and that we need to be so thankful that God sent his son to us. And, you know, all that beautiful, I mean, it's such a beautiful Christmas story, like just, you know, the Virgin Mary and all these beautiful things that happened, and, you know, that Jesus was born in a manger and all these things. Like, it's just such a beautiful thing. So if you haven't this year, take the time to read that in the Bible, and take the time, go to a Christmas candlelight service, go to a, you know, whatever kind of service. I know a lot of places do a midnight service, you know. So please just go and do those things. Spend time with your families, you know, and make sure that everybody really celebrates the real reason for Christmas, which is Jesus. So I hope y'all have a very Merry Christmas. I hope that y'all get to spend time with family, and I hope everyone has a great day, and try not to be too stressed. So anyway, all right, I hope y'all have a good one, and I will see y'all next week with my makeup looks. So bye.